Help me! Please help me! The water is coming in! My rainbows are getting wet! Evan, can you hear me? Lina? I am so scared!
Do not move. I will get help.
Please save my colors.
Evan once said, "I hate rainbows." But now, he is crying for them. Why did Evan hide his colors? Let's go back to the morning.
Lina, sit here with me.
Thank you, Maya.
Let's draw a big sun. I have yellow. I have red. We can share the colors. Yes, sharing is nice. What is this notebook? It is my rainbow notebook. It is so beautiful. I made it by myself.
Really? That is amazing!
It has soft cloth. It has many colors. I like the blue patch. I like the yellow patch. Here, have an apple. Thank you. You are kind. Let's paint together. Let's make the sun happy.
Why are you laughing?
Hi, Evan. We are painting.
I can see that.
Do you want to paint with us?
No, I don't need old colors.
You can use my red crayon.
I have my own things.
Your backpack is shiny.
It is new.
It looks expensive.
Of course it is.
But you look sad.
I am not sad.
Then paint with us.
Stop talking!
Evan, are you okay?
Give me that notebook.
Please be careful. Evan, don't take it. Please give it back.
It is an old notebook. Old notebook. Old colors.
No, it is special to me.
It is not special.
Evan, stop.
I hate rainbows.
I made it by myself.
Then make another one.
Evan, that is too much.
I don't like so many colors.
My notebook. Lina, are you okay? I am sad, but I will not shout. He hurt your picture. Yes, but I can fix it.
Why is Evan angry at colors?
Your notebook is broken now. I can clean it. Evan was not kind. Maybe he is not happy. But he hurt you. Yes, but broken things can be fixed. I will help you. Thank you, Maya. This notebook needs a star. A yellow star? Yes, a little yellow star. Now, the notebook has a new star. It looks beautiful again. Small things can be special.
This castle is too quiet. No one is here. I don't want to study. I want to paint. Where is my key? Here it is. No one can see this room. This is my secret. My rainbow pictures are here. I made them alone. I love these colors. Dad says, study hard. Mom says, no painting now. I am afraid to show them. At home, I cannot paint. I am so alone. Lina can paint with Maya. I cannot paint with anyone. I was angry, but I was sad too. I should say sorry.
But the storm will find his secret.
Everyone, go to the safe room.
Is the storm strong?
Yes. Stay close to me.
Lina, be careful. I will be careful.
Oh no! The window! My pictures! Please don't fall. The floor is wet. The door is stuck. Help! Help me!
Miss Anna, did you hear that?
I hear a voice.
It is Even.
Do not run alone.
I know. We need help. Mr. Ben, please come here.
What happened?
Evan is in the castle. The door is stuck.
Stay back, everyone. I will open the door.
Lina! I am scared.
I am here, Evan. Look at me. Breathe slowly.
My pictures are on the floor.
Come out first.
No, they are special.
Now I understand. You love rainbows too.
Yes, I love them. Please help me save them.
Good. Now step slowly. Step carefully, Evan.
I am out. You are safe now.
My rainbows are safe too.
Lina! Evan! You are safe.
Lina saved my pictures.
Your pictures? But you said you hated colors.
I lied. I love colors. I was jealous. I was wrong. Lina, I am very sorry.
Thank you for saying sorry.
I hurt your notebook. But you saved my colors.
Now you know, Evan. Small things can be special. You can paint with us now.
Can I be your friend?
But no more throwing notebooks.
I promise.
Evan, are you okay?
Dad, Mom, please listen. Painting makes me happy.
You hid all these pictures?
Yes. I was afraid to show you.
We are sorry, Evan.
Your colors are beautiful.
Can I paint again?
Yes, you can paint.
My notebook is broken. I can fix it. This blue patch is for you. Thank you, Evan. Now, it has your colors and my color, too. Let's paint a big picture. Let's paint a rainbow. And a castle. The castle needs a door. An open door. Yes, an open door. And I am not lonely now. Thank you, my friends. We can share our colors.
A true friend can bring back your colors. Let's share our colors.